Here in DGS, the spring season welcomes girls badminton as well as a variety of changes, such as new coaches like freshman coach Mr. Hayes, JV coach Mrs. Oberly, and former JV coach Mrs. Pendergast has moved up to coaching varsity. Today we have insight of what the season might look like and what they're looking forward to.
2016, I asked Coach Pendergast to be involved in the badminton program, and here we are 2023, and it finally became a reality. This year with our freshman and sophomore team, we're going to be working on fundamentals and the basics of the game.
So I've gotten into coaching badminton because I played competitive badminton myself for close to 20 years, and I love the sport, and so I like to pass on my knowledge to new players.
As my first year on varsity, I'm just really excited to continue the legacy of Coach Painter and everything she's taught me. Badminton's really important to me because I've been playing for many, many years, ever since third grade, so it's something I'm passionate about, and something I'm really excited to work on with my team is their endurance and also their strategy in the game.
I'm most looking forward to watching our girls growing, gaining confidence, competing, and most importantly, having fun this year.
I'm most looking forward to just watching the kids grow with their skills.
I'm excited to see the growth that each team makes this year, and also specifically varsity, looking at sectionals and state.
We all wish the girls luck this season, and the coaches seem to have a very positive outlook. Here in Downers Grove South with the Blueprint News Network, this has been Izzy Shin.